This month, our featured hardware is more than one unit. It's intelligence at scale. Meet PICS 34-node Supermicro, NVIDIA H100 AI cluster, now available through PICS Telecom's Circular Economy program. If you're not familiar, an AI cluster is a group of really powerful computers, each armed with specialized chips and high-speed connections. Together, they work as a team to handle massive tasks like training AI models, simulating drug therapies, or rendering 3D scenes. The more nodes you add, the faster you go. This isn't theory, it's turnkey. The H100 cluster we offer includes 34 NVIDIA HGX nodes with H100 GPUs, Intel Xeon CPUs, up to 800 gigabytes per second InfiniBand and 400G Ethernet, fully rack integrated and deployment ready. But who benefits from this AI cluster? Enterprise AI teams. Need to scale from pilot to production? This cluster supports massive workloads with built-in cloud compatibility and lightning-fast interconnects. AI and ML research labs. For universities and R&D hubs training large language models or running high-performance simulations, this is plug-and-play acceleration. Cloud and hosting providers. Looking to offer AI as a service or HPC as a service? This cluster's density and performance create maximum tenant value. Life sciences and pharma. From genomics to protein folding, every second of compute matters. Accelerate disease modeling and drug discovery with zero bottlenecks. Media, gaming, and VFX. Rendering real-time physics and AI-enhanced assets, supercharged by parallel compute and high-speed throughput. At PICS Telecom, we offer this infrastructure through a circular model. That means every node and switch in this cluster is tested, rigorously refurbished, and backed by our zero-to-landfill promise. Why build new when you can deploy tomorrow-ready AI with a lower environmental footprint? This Supermicro NVIDIA H100 cluster isn't just a nod to the future, it's your launchpad to scale sustainably and smartly. Contact us at picstelecom.com to see how it fits your AI infrastructure goals.